No. But okay. So I got this. You sent me this, Chris. So break
And
it down, my man.
if
Break it
Pedro is
down.
still, if people are watching this right now or listening, we're talking about DoorDash's testing this time earnings mode, or earn by time. So it's essentially, as you can see or listening, it says, let's assume the actively hour guarantee for earn by time. And again, this is active hour. This is an online hour. In your city is 14 per hour. So you choose to earn by time and begin your dash. After a few minutes of waiting, you're offered and accept an order. You drive 10 minutes to the restaurant. You wait 5 minutes, blah, blah, blah. You know, you get the time. It's 30 minutes active, which includes, so you're going to make $7 for that. But you're getting plus tips. But here's the thing. So look, if you look in the left how it works, you choose that time, you dash and complete it, and you can still earn more by getting tipped. And then here's the little kicker though. You have to accept, or you can only decline, I think, 1 per hour. Yeah. And so you can't cherry pick. And if you do, you go back to the original. So,
yeah. Right. So you go back to your whatever it is, right?
Yeah,
but you know the language
video on this. So if you want to check that out, go back and check it out, because he does a full breakdown on it. But we're going to obviously talk about this because
but then there's on that small print right on the bottom there to the left of the screenshot. Look at this language, okay? If anybody, I'm pretty good at English. If you read that, it says earn at least $14 an hour in DoorDash pay from when you accept an order to when you drop it off. Customer tips are additional. Forget the customer tips. We know customer tips are additional. But when you read that, does that sound like you're going to make $14 an hour for each active minute you're in? Because if you take 14 divided by 60, that's 23 cents a minute. So for each minute that you're active, they're paying you 23 cents. Now, when I read that, I figured, okay, that's not bad. $14 an hour, guaranteed almost. It sounds like a guarantee to me because it says earn at least 14. Then I looked at the right side in their example. It says for the active hour. So if I just got one single order for that hour and it took me that half hour in their example and I got paid $7, where did the 14 go? So there was no guarantee. There was nothing in there. So I just made $7 and hope to God that somebody tipped generously. So to me, this is more false advertising when it comes to these companies. Seriously. I mean, you know, I think this is so horrible that if anybody reads this and doesn't understand the ramifications of accepting a $3 order and say thinking that they're going to get 14, it's all going to add up to 14. They're dreaming. It's not. Actually, if you work for half an hour, you're going to get 7. If you work for 15 minutes, you're going to get 3.5. I go like, what kind of BS is this, Tony? Tell me about this. Are you going to go for this program, my man?
No. But that's the thing. It's like, what if you only get one order and it's a $2.50 order, and then a whole hour went by till you get your next order? Yeah. And then all of the people that are cherry picking, including the top dashers, once they've made it out of Hell Week, cherry picking, what do you think you're going to be getting? You're going to be getting all the leftovers sent to you because you can only decline one.
Yep. Mm-hmm. Yep. So you said something that, you know, this is what employment model is going to look like. So expand on that a little bit.
So let's just say that in theory, you could actually make $14 a real hour.
Yep.
Is that really what we're worth as gig workers, like $14?
Absolutely not.
Absolutely. I mean, I accepted everything for 100 orders in a row and made $21 active hour and maybe like $18. Yep. And that was really tough for me to swallow that pill.
Yeah, absolutely. But this is so deceptive to me. This is so deceptive. You know what I mean?
Sure. But not only
this is bullshit. God dang
it. Well, hold on. There's two things I want to say. Right. First off, like when you look at something like this and you say, yeah, you can make $14 an hour. I can go to McDonald's. I can go 15, 16, 17 an hour. I'm not putting the miles on my car. I'm not, there's no other expense for me to go there and make that money except for the taxes and that might be coming out and the schedule.
And
that
they give you benefits in Colorado.
Yeah. A lot of places do. I think they do in New York now too. But the whole thing is like you're getting $14 an hour, but now you have to pay all your expenses on top of that. So that means all your car, your maintenance, the mileage, the gas, or charging, depending on what kind of car you have, on top of, trying to take that money home to pay for bills, to pay for rent or a mortgage or whatever it might be. So yeah, that is to me absurd.
Yeah. I mean, I think it's deceptive at best and false advertising. And to me, it's like, if you read this, you look like, oh, I'm going to make $14 plus tips. Hey, pretty good. No, you're not making $14. You're maybe making 3.5 and hope to God that there's a tip in there. But so I think, I don't think this is going to be a choice for a lot of people. But then again, if in your city, it may work out for you. I don't know. And this is the way they want you to pick up all those 3.5 orders. So if you do four $3.50 orders, that's exactly $14. And you're active the whole hour and then take your expenses out of that, then where are you? I don't even know. You're at actually the RDU level, $6.20 an hour. So to me, it's like, no, this is not good. So this is stupid. And
the one thing though is whoever is the shit polisher at these companies, I can only imagine how much you can sit there and you can polish shit until it looks like pristine. But you know what? Here's the thing. We all see it's crap. We all know it is. And the way they spin these things, oh my God. I want to talk to, I just want to sit down and talk to some of these people. Like,
no, but you know what? They know, but Chris, they know that most of the drivers don't even think for themselves, let alone do a spreadsheet of their profitability. They don't do anything. I mean, we know this from our own surveys, and this is for people to fall into a trap, and then they, once they figure out they only made $6-7 because they were active half the time, and then they go, oh no, what did I do? But then in the same time, DoorDash got picked up a whole bunch of trash orders. You know what I'm saying? So,
So now for everybody who's watching who might do DoorDash, for everybody, for you guys, let's do the thumbs up, thumbs down. Thumbs up for earn by order, thumbs down for earn by pay. For earn by hour. Thumbs down, earn by hour, earn by order is thumbs up. So 3, 2, 1. Yep. Right there. Everybody is in agreement. You'd rather be paid by the order. Chat's going to take a little bit to get through, but we want to know what you guys think too.
DoorDash, I just think this is a manipulation tactic for the new drivers that they're onboarding that are uneducated and don't understand how the app works, like with their ratings and everything. People think that you have to accept everything to be able to not get fired. Yep. And it's like, you don't have to accept everything. But yeah. Yep.
All right. Thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.